Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to search and compare files in Linux system. So first I'm going to terminal, and here I'm going to change the directory to desktop. So cd small cd desktop. So now I'm in desktop right now. Now let's if you want to search a word in a particular file, let's open this file coffee, and here let's pick up a word. Let's say we want to search the word wherever we have this boolean, boolean, this word. So if you want to search that word from a file, what you have to do is just type here, just type boolean, and actually first you have to type grep, and the word you are searching for, that is boolean, and which file you want to search from. Since that is in coffee, I want to search it in coffee file, so just type the file name right here. Okay, click this one, and the file name is coffee. When you enter, it's going to show you wherever the word boolean is in this code. So here we have two places we have the boolean word. One is here, boolean find keyword, that's one is showing up right here, and also we have boolean type. These are the two places we have the boolean. That line is going to show up right here. That is how we check a word from a file. Now the next thing is we can next thing is we can compare two files. To compare to difference between two files, let's compare these two files, coffee and desktop. In the apple file we don't have anything, this is an empty file, and coffee we have a code. So if you compare both of them, it's going to print out the difference. Since we don't have anything in this one, it's going to print out the whole thing. It's going to display the whole thing that is on coffee. Or if you have two similar files, it's going to just print display the differences. Now let's see how it works. To find out the differences, you have to just type difference, and which are the two files you are comparing. Here we have the file name coffee and the file name apple. So to compare these two, I have to type these two file names, coffee and apple, and when you enter, it's going to show the differences. Since we don't have anything in the apple file, it's going to print out, it's going to display the whole thing. It's this whole thing coming from this coffee file, because the coffee file has a code starting like this, but this one doesn't have it. Apple doesn't have anything, that's why it's showing the whole thing. Now that's all about it. Let's get rid of this one. So to clear this one, just type clear. Now if you want to change the password of your thing, if your system, just type passwd, and it's going to ask you to enter the current password. When you enter your current password, it's going to ask you the new password, so you can change your password. I don't want to change my password, so I just type enter, so it's going to show error. Now the next thing is we can introduce variables. Variables is basically placeholders. If you don't know if you haven't done any coding, you know the variables is placeholders. For example, x plus 2 is equal to, if you say x is equal to 5, and x plus 2 is what, 5 plus 2 is going to be 7, because x is replaced with 5. The same, that is variables. So let's look at this one. Here I'm going to introduce a variable name, and I'm going to equalize that one to my name is, and put equal continuously, and my name is Tiliban, so I put my name as Tiliban right here. And the name is now replaced with Tiliban. Wherever you type name, it's going to show up Tiliban right here. But before that, I'm going to also introduce another thing, that's echo. Echo is whatever you type, it's going to be printed again. So if you say echo hey now, it's going to print out hey now, it's going to display hey now again. So you can see hey now is displaying again. So here I'm going to use echo, and whenever you want to print display the variable, you have to put a $sign in front, $sign, and the name, and it's going to show the echo name. That's Taliban. It's showing my name. And then echo, let's put echo my name is echo. I had to put O right here. Echo my name is $sign and name. My name is Taliban. Okay, and then that's it for this one. Now if you want to know the detail about echo, let's clear this one. Let's clear this one first. Clear. And if you want to know the detail about echo, just put info echo, and it's going to show the whole detail about this one, and it's going to be a bunch of things. And if you want to read them, you can go in and read them. To escape, to go back, you just press Ctrl+C and it's going to go back. And after that, also if you want to access your previous typed things, you don't have to type again and again. If you press up and down keys, it's going to show all the previous things you typed. So echo $sign name, it's going to print out your name. Like whatever the thing you can type, you can always re-access this from using up and down keys. And that's all about searching and comparing files in Linux system. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and also if you are trying to learn more about Linux system, I'm going to make a bunch of videos. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.